Hey guys, in this video I'm explaining to you how you can move your Xfinity service to a new address. So first things first, what you're going to do is you're going to sign into your Xfinity.com account, visit the website, xfinity.com/moving, and then what you're going to do is you're going to look up your new address. And then what you're going to do is after you look up your new address, you want to make sure that it's actually in the Xfinity service area. If not, what you're going to do is you want to refer to moving outside of the Xfinity service area section, and you can do that. And then what you can do, guys, is enter your best phone number, which they can actually reach you on. So enter your contact details when you want them to do a stop service at your current address and where you will be moving to, and then click on keep moving. And then what you're going to do is you want to go ahead and choose. So whether you want to keep your current plan or you want to make changes to that, choose this. And then basically click on keep moving, which is basically like next. And then what's going to happen, guys, they will show you your installation options. So you can choose a self-install plus, where they'll bring your equipment, your starting kit, and then they'll verify your home connection, and then you will be activating yourself using the Xfinity app, or you can choose a professional install. So this will be a guaranteed 2-hour appointment window. So within 2 hours they will be installing it, and then there'll be expert technicians that will come and install it for you, even at nights and on the weekends. So if you're doing self-install, then you need to choose the date, and then what you can do is once you choose a professional one, you'll have to choose the appointment window. So what date and within the 2-hour window you want them to come and do it for you. Then of course, guys, when you're done, you can see the review of all your plans, the next steps, when your appointment date is, and your terms and conditions. You can review all of that before getting transferred. And it's really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.